Good evening, gentlemen. This is a press statement made by the Rivers Elders and Leaders Forum. Dear Rivers people, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we bring you warm greetings from the Rivers Elders and Leaders Forum. Today, we issue this press statement with hearts filled with gratitude to God, deep reflection, and hope for a united and better Rivers State. We have watched over the past few months the painful divisions and political tensions that pitched two of our sons, Chief Barrister Nyesom Wike, Honourable Minister of Federal Capital Territory, His Excellency Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Governor of Rivers State, and the Rivers State House of Assembly. It was a sad development that deeply wounded the soul of our dear state and cast an undeserved shadow on our collective image, unity, progress, and prosperity. Today we thank the Almighty God and commend the recent show of maturity and courage demonstrated by both men in embracing peace and reconciliation process. This was exactly what we, the Rivers Elders and Leaders Forum, had earnestly sought for from the very beginning, when we first extended an olive branch and invited both parties to a round table. Unfortunately, our initial efforts were not heeded, which necessitated a formal appeal to Mr. President, His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to intervene as the father of the nation. For the record, we reaffirm that our only and sole interest has always been to safeguard the image, soul, and dignity of Rivers State. We seek no personal gain, no political reward or favor. Our sole desire is to see that our state thrives, with the leaders united and working together for the common good of Rivers people. While we welcome and commend this process, we choose not to delve any further into the subject because the terms of the settlement are yet to be made public. However, we hope that the terms of this reconciliation are well rooted within the provisions of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as amended and the rule of law. Once again, we sincerely thank all parties involved, especially Mr. President, for the role he has played in steering this process to this moment. To this end, we request that since peace and reconciliation have been achieved, it is our considered view that the state of emergency imposed on Rivers State be now lifted and all suspended democratic structures fully restored. That is the only way we hope that this peace will be meaningful to our people. The will of Rivers people should be respected, and the institutions of democratic governance must be allowed to function freely and transparently. We urge everyone in Rivers State to seize this moment of reconciliation not as the end of disagreements, but at the beginning of a new chapter marked by mutual respect, collective responsibility, and unwavering commitment to the peace, progress, and unity of our dear state. Let Rivers State rise again in pride and purpose. Let us never forget that our strength lies in our unity, shared heritage, and destiny. May God continue to bless Rivers State and guide all our rulers aright to do the right thing, to follow justice and equity. Thank you, gentlemen. Good evening. My name is Gabriel Toby.
Having seen the political developments, we would like to know what is your stand going forward from here as per the peace agreement. What is your stand? When and what is your stand? You know, this peace agreement, some people see it to be temporary. Some people see that maybe after now something else will happen. So should it go otherwise, what will be your